This is the Rainbird 32 SA. It shoots 19 feet to 32 feet. It says it has a 4-inch pop-up head, but the head doesn't pop up, it just stays in that one position. So basically you're just going to take your garden hose and attach it here, and if you wanted to, you could take another garden hose and attach it here and run it off to another sprinkler head. But like I said, I just put this into the ground just a second ago, found it very easy to adjust. So the first thing you want to do is take the head, this part right here, this top portion right here, and turn it to the right to find your stop on the right hand side. Then you're going to turn it to the left to find the left stop on the left hand side. Now this one can't be changed, so that's just going to have to be where your left edge stop is. So if we wanted to make the spray go further to the right, we need to take our flathead screwdriver, turn this screw to the right to the plus sign. So let's go ahead and do that. You're gonna have a couple of hard clicks, so I'm gonna do it 3 times. Now let's turn it back to the left. That's again is our hard edge right there. You can see we got more of an angle. We've come further across, and if you want to go more, then you just keep turning it to the plus. Let's just go a couple more times. Alright, turn it back to the left. Alright, so if I wanted to go 180 along my fence line, then I would go probably 2 more clicks to where it would get in line with my fence line. Let's try 1 and see what happens. That's a lot better. That's pretty good. So if the deck right here is my fence line, I wanted to go 180 degrees, that's what I would do. If this is too much and you want to back it down to about a 45, then you're going to turn it here to the left, put your screwdriver back in here, give it, let's say 3 turns. Let's see what happens. Pretty close. Let's give it 1 more turn. That's right on. Now this screw right here at the top is a Phillips, but this screwdriver is so small that it'll work in this Phillips head. In the event that you want the spray to not shoot out as far, if you want it to be shorter and more of a mist, you want the screw to be as far down as it can go. If you want the spray to be further out, you're going to counterclockwise. You're going to turn it to the left counterclockwise, being careful not to let it pop out. And as you screw it counterclockwise, it's going to throw further. So screwing it clockwise will cause this screw to come down further into the path of the water and make it more of a mist, and it won't go as far. Alright guys, I hope that helps. I found it very easy to set up and to use. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Have a good day. Remember, you want to find your left edge first. That's my left edge, and if I wanted it to be right on line with the fence, I'd want to set it right in there. Let's see where our right edge is, where we left it a while ago. So that's going to shoot right into my house. I'm going to back that off just a little bit. Let's back that off just a little bit. Oh, my screwdriver's wet. So back that off just a little bit. That's going to be perfect for this yard right here in the back. It's just an example. All right, let's just go turn this water on. Guys, look at that. Like that, there's a pretty good underspray down here as well. This screw is about halfway, so let's take this screw and dial it all the way out. It has a really good spray on it right there. Turn the screw clockwise. The screw is going to get in the way of the stream, and as it does that, it's going to shorten the distance and give more of a I guess a mist or a shower, and I like that one too. Alright guys, I hope this helps. Hope you have a great day. God bless you.